Welcome to the Norfolk Mini Knowledge Base. Today we'll be showing you how to simply access the digital service history on your Mini. So using the central controller located beside the gear stick, press the circular menu button to start the main menu. Turn anti-clockwise through the different options until you reach the My Mini profile, usually found on the left of the options screen. Press down to select this setting, then move the dial to scroll down to vehicle status and press down. Next, nudge the dial to the left, scroll down and select service requirements option. Once in this menu, you can select service history, where you can view all the documented service inputs. Just turn the wheel to scroll through them. If you wish to see what service was carried out, just press and select so you can see this one was a brake fluid service. You can also see on this menu when the next MOT is due. This one is June 26. And you can also see when the next engine oil service is due, when the next brake fluid service is due, and the vehicle check service. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and comment if you found this video useful. And be sure to look out for more new stock updates, knowledge tutorials and other car-related videos.